Hello and welcome to the University of Ilorin. We know this is an exciting time for you as admission offers have already started rolling in. Congratulations to those who have been offered admission and to those who are still waiting. Don't worry, the process is ongoing. In this video, we'll walk you through everything you need to know about the Unilorin admission process for 2020. From checking your status to the next steps after getting the long-awaited offer, consider this your friendly guide to starting your journey at Nigeria's most sought-after university.
The merit admission, of course, has started, and I am sure that some of you would have been seeing something like admission in progress on your jam caps. So this moment we advise everybody, of course, that sat for post UTME, that is a prospective candidate, to continue to check their jam caps repeatedly, because these things are dropping, in batches as we proceed. So at the moment, for those that will be admitted on merit, you'll be seeing admission in progress on your jam caps, and of course it will be stated there clearly from the course that you have applied for. You just have to be patient because it's going to move to the next phase, which is recommendation and then approval before the final one drops. So when that drops, eventually your profile will be moved to the University of Ilorin's portal for you to now commence your registration fully, and be sure that what you are seeing is admission in progress. So the next phase that you are expected to move, because you are not admittable for the reasons I will be stating. One, it is either your score, that is your aggregate score, did not meet either the merit, the catchment, or the ALDS for the course you have applied for, and then you will be recommended for another course. We call that transfer of approval. There is a tab on your jam caps. Just click it when you don't see anything like admission in progress yet. If there is any course you have been recommended for, and it should prompt at the bottom that you should either accept or decline. So of course the choice is yours, but we are doing that on the basis that your performance is actually very good, but not good enough for the course you have applied for. That is what we do here in this university.
Subscribe now to Unilorin TV for more updates, tips, and insights. Your future starts right here.